formalization of jobs vital, right? Okay, with reference to yes, Indian economy, 91% of the workers are residing in informal sector. They are facing untold hardships, right? They are getting meager, right, money wage, but no real wage. Only 9% of Indian workers, right, are getting besides money wage and real wage also. Okay, their situation, okay, seems okay. For example, according to the wage report, for example, formal workers are getting 11.9 lakh rupees per annum. Whereas in the case of informal workers, only 1.4 lakh. It is too much. They are facing untold hardships. Okay, that's why we should try to convert the informal workers into formal. Then we need success, right? Okay, so we are getting fourth rank in the future, third rank in GDP. It is rubbish, right? Okay, we should try to convert the welfare of the yes workers very important, right? Okay, come to the point. So here, why we are having lower wage? The reason is heavy labor supply, of course. So, but according to your economics, high productivity leads high wage. But in India, even though high productivity, lower wage is fixed. That is right, unfortunate. It means economic loss also not worked out in India. We need to recognize this fact. Okay. So, for example, you see in agriculture, 42% of workers reside in agriculture, but they are getting only 18% of GDP. L greater than year, right? Okay, whoa, it is too much. And we should try to convert the informal workers into formal. To do so, we should try to increase the skillness of the workers. For example, you see, for example, out of 100 workers, 4.7% workers only skilled in India, whereas in the case of US 52%, whereas in the case of Japan 80%, whereas in the case of South Korea 96% of the workers are skilled. That's why they are in formal workers. It is understood that conversion of informal workers into formal workers is the must. Then only we get faster growth rate. For example, you see, even the lapse of 78% of independence, just we mobilized only $4 trillion economy. It is equal to NVIDIA, right? One company of US, right? It's too much, right? That's why you should try to do much. Why? Because here the situation what we observed in India seems very vulnerable, right? Thank you.